right to the camera, Zuzu. This is Zuzu. This is Zuzu. She's 2 years old. I got her when she was about 1 month. So I've had her for a long time. 2 years almost. So here's a close up of her. See, she's just not hooked up yet. Say hi to the camera. See? Oh no, she likes to sleep a lot on my pillow, and she only sleeps here, and I have no idea why. So this is my dog Zuzu, and she's only 2 years old.